Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing that everything, the stars, galaxies, even time itself, is trapped inside an immense, inescapable void. What if our universe isn't just floating in space, but is actually the interior of a vast, cosmic black hole? This mind-bending idea isn't just science fiction. Some physicists seriously consider that our entire universe could be a black hole, nested inside another universe, possibly inside an infinite chain of universes. But if that's true, what does it mean for us? Can we ever escape? And what happens when our universe itself evaporates like a dying black hole? Stay with me, because this rabbit hole goes deep, maybe infinitely deep. The concept of black hole cosmology has been around for decades. It suggests that what we consider the observable universe is actually the inside of a massive black hole. In other words, we're living in a cosmic event horizon. This theory never gained much mainstream traction until recent observations gave it a strange new lease on life. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, designed to peer into the earliest moments of the universe, has been making discoveries that challenge our understanding of cosmology. One particularly eerie finding: a pattern in galactic rotation that defies randomness. A study by Leor Shamir found that nearly 2/3 of the galaxies observed were spinning in the same direction. This goes against what we'd expect from a randomly expanding universe. If this observation holds true, it suggests that the universe itself is rotating. And if the universe is rotating, it aligns eerily well with the predictions of black hole cosmology. If our universe is inside a black hole, then what about black holes inside in our universe? Could they contain entire universes as well? Some physicists propose that black holes might serve as cosmic gateways, forming an infinite hierarchy of universes, like Russian nesting dolls. This idea has a haunting implication. Every time a black hole forms, a new universe is born. If true, then what we perceive as a singularity at the heart of a black hole isn't an end, it's a beginning, a Big Bang happening in some baby universe we can never see. But it gets even weirder. If all universes spawn from black holes, then who's to say our own universe wasn't created in the same way? Imagine if an ancient, hyper-advanced civilization, far beyond anything we can comprehend, learned to engineer black holes to create artificial universes. Maybe they designed one to be perfectly suited for life. Maybe we are living in that constructed reality. And maybe, just maybe, we're on the verge of developing the technology to create one ourselves. Our universe is strangely fine-tuned for life. The laws of physics, gravity, electromagnetism, nuclear forces, are balanced so precisely that even the tiniest deviation would render the cosmos uninhabitable. This eerie precision leads some to wonder, is it just coincidence? Or is there a deeper reason? If black holes naturally generate universes, and if these universes inherit the physics of their parent black holes, then maybe only certain kinds of universes can exist. That would explain why the physical laws seem so strangely tailored for life. Not because of intelligent design, but because only black holes that create stable, life-supporting universes keep producing more black holes. This theory aligns with the idea that the universe operates like a cosmic evolutionary system. It suggests that universes compete to survive. Those that don't generate black holes eventually fade away, while those that do continue the cycle. If so, then maybe we're not in a designed universe, but rather one that simply won the cosmic lottery through natural selection. But there's another chilling possibility. What if our universe wasn't naturally occurring at all? What if it was deliberately created? If advanced civilizations could create new universes, maybe that's why we don't see them. Instead of colonizing the stars, they might have abandoned this reality entirely. What if every intelligent species that reaches a certain level of technological mastery simply disappears into self-made paradise universes? Maybe the great filter isn't war or extinction, it's escape. If this is true, it would explain why the universe seems so empty. The answer to the Fermi paradox might be that advanced beings simply stop caring about this universe once they can build better ones. And if that's the case, are we alone simply because we haven't reached that point yet? Here's the truly unsettling question. If our universe is a black hole, will it one day die like one? Black holes evaporate over time due to Hawking radiation, a slow trickle of energy that eventually causes them to vanish. If our universe is a black hole, could it evaporate too? And if so, what happens when it does? More terrifyingly, if our universe is part of a nested chain of universes, then what happens when the parent universe evaporates? Do all the child universes disappear too? If so, then every black hole inside our universe, each containing its own universe, could eventually cease to exist in a domino effect of cosmic annihilation. This would mean reality itself is temporary. Every universe is just another step on the ladder, climbing toward an unknown fate. And at the very top, maybe nothing at all. Whether our universe is a black hole, a simulation, or something even stranger, one thing is clear. We still have more questions than answers. The JWST findings have forced us to reconsider what we thought we knew. And the more we discover, the deeper the mystery becomes. Maybe we're on the brink of uncovering the truth about the universe's origins. Or maybe we'll never know, trapped inside an event horizon we can't escape. Either way, one thing is certain. The cosmos is far stranger than we ever imagined.